we have a pyromaniac who would spend his life playing with fire, and he has to walk through fire to find a way out.
Once you're in hell, only the devil can help you out.
The oven came from an idea of the basement of this house being something like a crematorium or a mortuary that had a cremation oven in it. We talked it over and realized that unless we wanted to make this whole place like a funeral parlor, it just didn't seem to make sense. But we still wanted to keep the idea of an oven in here. And we decided we would go with the idea that this was maybe the boiler of the house or the furnace that heated the house at one time. So we created an oven using cement board and tin, and this had to be an oven that was practical and fireproof in all aspects. The door had to close automatically when Abhi grabbed the syringe inside. And then we had to have sides that could come off so we could look inside and see Abhi climbing in as he's about to go after the needles. Special effects team put flame bars all down in the bottom here, and we had actual practical flames going on. We had to create a series of flame bars that could start very slowly and build at the far end and then move towards him. The furnace, the way we designed it originally was by building a computer model that we could rotate in all directions. Essentially, the director can look at any angle he wants. In this case, what we've done is we've indicated each piece that can come off and wiled away so that the camera can move in through the front end of the oven, look in through the side of the oven, or do a shot for over the top of the oven. We could create a virtual walkthrough in so we could show the director exactly the shots he was going to get. Darren found this was a great tool for allowing him to actually visualize right down to the lensing that we were going to choose. And then we would take that and do our construction drawings from the computer model. We were able to create that furnace literally in 3 days. We had a tremendous construction team, and these guys built the furnace over a weekend. We provided them with the construction drawings on Friday morning. Monday afternoon, the furnace was finished. Our scenic team were able to do their work inside so that by the following Wednesday, we could film.
Like this. So that's the shot we're following sideways, but that's kind of enough room to be over there. So
Tim Bird did a fantastic job of selling the crawl through the furnace and then cowering into the far end as the flames start to take over. We also had a great stunt team working with us. I was quite surprised to see our stunt man literally crawl up to his neck into the flames and bat flames off of his leg, which was on fire. It was completely on fire, with a bare hand, covered in fire gel, of course. He was a trooper. He really got in there.
What the fuck is this?